Logan, are you going to read me a book?
Yes. It's the birds. And is another page. Apple has peaks. Apple has wings.
What kind of bird is that?
An owl and a hummingbird. Apple has wings. Feathers.
Feathers. Which one do you like the best?
That one. Apple has tails.
What kind of bird is that?
A peacock.
Uh-huh.
Apple has sweet. Apple has eggs. Can I do it again?
Ah! You want to read it again?
Yes.
Is that your favorite book?
Yes, it's mine now.
It's yours?
That on the tail was.
Do you like birds?
Yes.
What is your favorite kind of bird?
The red one.
Red cardinals you like?
I like the cardinal.
You look like a bird.
No.
You have feathers
No.
and a beak.
No. It's a nose.
Oh.